Today's a busy day. I've asked the universe to make it busier for us. And it's coming. Jasmine, can you add on a silver package for Mike Medlock for Saturday, 8 a.m.? All right, we've got 1, 2, 3 full washes coming in right now. Wait, let me double check if it was a full wash. Sometimes we just lose track of everything. But the guys are working on the Tesla right there. My phone's being all shitty. I can't wait for the new iPhone. I have the 12 right now, and I can't wait for the new iPhone. I don't know. I told myself, not every year, because that's stupid. Every 2 years is fine. 3 years excessive. And I went to the doctor for the first time in like 10 years. I got my blood drawn, got my tetanus shot. They were like, you due for a lot of vaccines. I was like, let's just stick with one today. That's it. Dude, my yearbow's not loading right now. What job are we doing? Let's go inside and get the Wi-Fi. Oh, it's just a wash. Tacoma's just a wash. Thank God. Let's get only one person on the Tesla in the interior and then help me with the wash so we can knock it out. Did you sleep over on Saturday, Aaron? Huh? Did you sleep over on Saturday? On the baby shower?
Oh yeah, I slept over.
You slept over?
Hey, guess what, dude?
What?
I slept over and then the next morning someone T-boned me.
Your car. No way! Sorry, Aaron. Aaron, I'm sorry. You're living like the saddest life in the world, eh? Are you okay though?
Yeah.
Why don't you say anything?
It's all good.
How bad?
I'll show you.
Oh my goodness.
Now I'm like hit my cousin on his side.
Wait, hit both of you guys?
And she like ran the four-way stop, dude.
Oh, she ran it.
Yeah.
Was that like the next morning?
Yeah. I was dropping them off at my uncle's house.
That's so sad.
Yeah. Oh well.
Sorry. Aaron, you gotta understand why I'm laughing, okay? I feel for you. She just straight and went boom. Is your cousin okay? Who, Eric or? Oh. Yeah. Yeah, is he okay?
Yeah.
You're gonna sue her or what? You gonna sue her?
I don't know.
Ooh, it's time to take off our clothes, baby. That's all I hear. You know what that sound is? Sexy time.
Go ahead, Lord. Give some love to the camera real quick.
Can you be a sexy firefighter for me, Aaron? Yeah, thank you. Is she waiting inside?
Yeah.
Okay. Do me a favor, text Jasmine that Allie had to leave. She had a family emergency. It was so dead yesterday. Like, we had 2 cars. It gets busy. This guy tried to come in. I was just like, sorry, we're closed. Oh, thank you, Aaron. No, he distracted me, dude. He's like trying to talk to me.
You're gay.
Thank you.
But why does this one smell so nice?
What?
It smells nicer for some reason.
The soap?
Huh? I think so. Is this soap or the polymer?
There's the polymer.
Oh.
I smelled it too the moment Aaron sprayed it.
Yeah.
Yeah. It smells like beautiful. Oh, it's because I rinsed off the bed. I was like, I swear I rinsed that side. It's no excuse, Aaron. I'm sorry. Telling you, my soap is hands down the best soap in the world. Oh, hey. Cool.
My mom is actually going to come and pick me up.
Oh,
We're gonna
perfect.
go have lunch. So,
Sounds good.
as far as, sorry.
You're good, yeah.
As far as inside, you guys will wipe down.
We're gonna wipe everything down, blow it out, vacuum it, do the windows, door jams, and everything. Yeah.
My son's sloth.
Fair enough. All right, thank you.
Hey, I have a question for you. That review that you got, the bad review,
Yeah.
is that the owner for City Lights?
It is. It is. It is the City Lights guy.
Okay, tell the camera the story real quick.
So Jacob had an appointment for a quick detail. This is on like a giant truck, like a Ram truck, I think. And a quick detail is like obviously not an in-depth detail, but because it's inside and out was $300. And I guess he complained that we didn't get gum on the side of his door or something. So he's like, oh, on the review it said the interior was really clean, but they didn't get the gum, so they gave us a 2-star review. And I was like, 2 stars? It was really good. And I don't know why you're complaining. But I didn't realize it was that City Lights, the strip club. So I'm curious if he like worked there or he was just there getting his car cleaned while he was there. I don't know. But it was weird that he complained. Today is a hot one. Without a doubt.
99 right now.
Hey, I'm just straight up not having a good time. I'm not a piece of meat.
I didn't know we were still doing sexy car wash.
All right. Just wait, when I get a 6-pack, extra charge.
How do you guys monitor who's winning that bet?
Ain't nobody doing it, I'm fat as fuck.
Remind the camera real quick for anybody. I don't think we've talked about it on the vlog yet.
So one day Rob and I were hanging out with another detailer and we were talking about being fit and things like that. And I was like, oh, we should get a fitness challenge. He goes, oh yeah, first one, to get a 6-pack, we get like $200 from each person. And I was like, all right, let's do it in like a few months. He goes, a few months to do it, 1 month? I go, that's not possible.
Yeah.
But he wanted to do it. And I was like, all right, if we don't get a 6-pack, it's an extra $50 per month. So we're just seeing, you know, what would happen now. Because ain't nobody trying right now. I tried the first week, I was trying to be really healthy. And then I just kept eating and eating. Yeah. I don't think it's happening. Not now, that is. Why is this floor mat here? Why is that floor mat here to knock over all my bottles? This is the towel that Aaron dropped on the ground. So I'm gonna use it for the bed cover, since I'm gonna toss it in the basket anyways. It's all about being smart. Do me a favor, toss me in that green towel.
POV. Oh, not actually.
A little extreme, okay.